Here, Castorilla Fishing. We're out here. We're over here in Iowa, and this looks like a little spillway or a little river, water running through it. So we're right here. See if we can hook up. I got the Atomic Teaser on there. I'm gonna go ahead and be doing that. The weather here is not that bad. It's probably about like 80, 82. Humidity is not that bad at all either. So it's good. Let's toss it here. Oh, got a bite. Got a bite, guys. It looks like they like it on that. A pop. Got him, got him, got him. Ooh. There it is. Castorilla Fishing, boy. We out here in Iowa. Jesus, look at that guy. Nice. A catfish. Look at this guy. Check it out. I would have known he ate it. You gotta grab these guys good because they got spines. Look at him. Look at the pattern on him. Look at that. There it is, guys. Castorilla Fishing. We're out here doing it in Iowa. This guy. Nice one. Catfish. Be careful with these spikes. They lock them in place. Look at that. Oh. Nice. Went back. Good one, good one. Got hit on the catfish on the drop. Slow retrieval, little pops, but it's a lot of little fish, some bass in there. Obviously I didn't bring a bass setup, got ultralight. We're traveling, so I didn't want to bring my other pole because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take it back on the airplane. So ultralight, Atomic Teaser, we'll keep it pushing. We'll see if we can hit another spot right now, see if we can get some bluegill. Yeah, so another spot here. There's waterways everywhere, man. We'll see what's up so I can catch another one. Ooh, I see him already. A lot of bluegill. A lot of bluegill right there. Hey, Chris, a lot of bluegill right here. Bluegill City right here, guys. We're gonna murder it. Figured out what they're doing. They're pulling on the little tails, so I mean they need something smaller. Guys, we're going with this small hook. Oh, see what's happening. I see what's happening. Looks too short. Let's see what happens. Oh, just like butter. Jesus. That's how fast it is. I switched the hook. Jesus. just like that. That's how quick. Fast. That's lethal, guys. Wow. Bluegill mania. We out here, Castorilla style. You gotta have the right gear. You have to have the right gear. It's all about. That's what it's all about. Right hook, the right gear. I had a real small hook on, which wasn't doing it. Now a little bit bigger hook, and now it's getting all the action. Chris, it's number 4 with the setup I have. Switched it up. They ain't playing out here. Gosh, they're making me mad off of that setup. Look at that. Try to get one more off of this because it's pretty beat. Another one. All right. We're out here, Iowa.